What's good, people? Still in the lab, y'all already know. Just wanted to run something by y'all about putting in an aftermarket fuel gauge. First, figure out what ohms your vehicle have coming from the sending unit. Second, make sure your sending unit is working. And if your gauge is still not working, even after you done put a new sending unit, check your wiring for a signal. If you're getting a signal, check your gauge. I got this one right here. And I'm gonna show y'all. I got that on. The other one not on because I just jumped the power right quick so I can make sure before I put it up. Got the tank down. That's the sending unit. It's on E right now. So if I move this float up to about here, let me see if it's gonna stay. I think right there should be about half a tank or somewhere in that area. Right on the dot. So yeah, and that's how you test it. Pull that sending unit out. And on most of the older cars, when you go up there under the dash to find the fuel tank sending unit wire going into the fuse box, it's gonna be like a shiny kind of purple looking wire. Let me see if I can show that to y'all right quick. See if it'll show the color. Okay, on your fuse box, it's gonna be plugged into that little side port right there. And if you can see it, the camera not gonna really pick up that color, but it's kind of like a shiny kind of purple looking wire in that harness that's coming from the back that plugs into the fuse box right there. So yep, you got your gauge. Then you go back there, let your sending unit up and down a few times, make sure it's calibrated good. Even if it don't go all the way to E, if it goes somewhere close to E when you got it all the way down, just know when you get to that range, that's where your E will be at, and you'll know to stay above that. And really simple as that. Simple as that, y'all. There you have it.